Okay, so when I began gathering scholarly sources for this presentation, I was already well into the semester teaching a writing course where my students were using and creating videos to support, further, or even present their arguments. Just as in my writing course, I knew I wanted to create a presentation that suggests a markedly plural approach to audio-visual writing that would contribute to the hybrid intertextuality characterizing new media. Current scholarship reinforces James Trier's 2007 assertion that YouTube is pedagogically powerful as a disruptor of the teacher-student hierarchy. At the same time, practitioners approach this new media with trepidation because of the hype. Certainly, social networking sites tend to limit the truly revolutionary potential of the technology because, according to UHAWS, they aren't democratic. They often function best as postmodern TV sets that facilitate isolated, aimless viewing practices of the viewers while expertly delivering eyeballs to the advertisers. Sites such as YouTube reify the distinctions between the so-called professional culture and that of the amateur, and it actually forecloses community because it's a mess. But new media, such as YouTube and other digital video formats, remain the digital Wunderkammer, a closet of wonders where many of the artifacts of digital empire sit on the shelves waiting either to overwhelm a visitor or to actually be utilized by savvy new entrepreneurs, at least according to Gallup. And this is where composition instructors can integrate a ubiquitous mobile technology such as the Droid or the iPod or the iPad, the Flip and the like, into the writing class and supplement that technology with editing software. Many students already consume the digital artifacts found on social networking sites, but by encouraging electronic writing through video collage, I can actually enable my students to compose activist texts for wide public audiences and develop and apply key rhetorical concepts as they do this. Students and I can question the originality. What is originality in the composition classroom? We can explore delivery and circulation of digital texts, and we can also analyze how we compose and remix and how this is influenced by activist, technological, popular, and cultural literacies. Video collage or remix can be works of criticism, of analysis, of argument. The rhetorical approach is similar to the modern essay, but the tools are vastly different. So I begin by creating my digital toolbox. I ask myself, what will I need to create this project? I want images, sounds, videos, and text, but I also need to think about delivery method, organization, and other rhetorical editing considerations. So in this clip, I discuss pre-writing and drafting techniques to illustrate how I planned this presentation, this segment of my entire presentation. And it's through these drafting techniques, shifting between technologies, that I'm able to illustrate what our students are going to need to do and what I, as a teacher, can use. But certainly there are more considerations.